Namaskar, dear friends. So, all you can watch. This is a very old Shiv temple situated at city Ghumarmi, and just beside this, Bharati Hospital of Ayurveda and Kerala Panchkarma has been started here since 2011. So, Vaidya Nancy, who is the main chief physician, come director of this hospital, she is running this hospital. And hi, Vaidya Nancy, how are you?
Namaskar.
So you can see this is Bharati Hospital of Ayurveda and Kel Panchkam. It is in the city Ghumarmi. So another branch of this Bharati Hospital of Ayurveda and Kela Panchkarma, recently they started at the village Talwada, Tehsil Ghumarmi in the same district, Himachal Pradesh. So let's start our journey from Bharati Hospital of Ayurveda and Kerala Panchkarma to Atre Ayurveda Talwada. So stay connected with us. I will show you all routes. It's approximately 12 kilometers from here. So let's start our journey.
कार्यक्रम के अंत देश पर
Dear friends, so we have reached a very beautiful village Talwada. It is situated here in district Bilaspur, Tehsil Ghumarmi and Himachal Pradesh. So this is very greenful village Talwada. So we are very near to Atre Ayurved Peeth. This is the localest, very small town. So this is the greenery, and you can see our very beautiful this Atre Ayurved Peeth resort hospital. So we have reached here. So dear friends, this is our second establishment, Atre Ayurved Peeth, Byas Bihar. You can see the full address, Tehsil Ghumarmi, Jila Bilaspur, Himachal Pradesh. So we have reached here. So let me meet you again, Pradhan Vaidya Nancy ji.
Welcome in Atre Ayurved Peeth.
So this is Swagat Kaks. So let's move on. So this is reception area. Still it is waiting for its grand inaugurations. So this is OPD and other meeting areas. You can see the all authentic classical text here. So what is here, Dr. Nancy?
This is Director's office.
Yes, so this is director office. Yeah, so this is our administrative block. So you can see this is the reception area. So let me show you some more. So let's start inning through the main gate. The main message in every walk: be the nature one receive far more than he seeks. So this is the authentic classical Atre Ayurved Peeth, where you can get the all authentic classical treatments. So this is the Parisar way and Pratikshalya Kaks. So I hope Vaidya Nancy will move us round.
This is waiting area.
So this is waiting area. So in front of our waiting area, you can see our campus. So this is our waiting area. So patient can wait for his turn, and you can see the campus. These are the cottages, and so I'll show you the Dr. Nancy will make a show. So you can
Campus.
see, this is the campus, beautiful campus, enriched with full greenery and lot of herbal plants. So from there up to you can see our downest field. You can see there, and we have
So many herbal plants
so many
are
herbal
there.
plants we are cultivating here. You can see in 2 fields, not 2, 3, 4 fields we are cultivating herbal plants. So this is our main area. So rest of the campus we will show you. So I hope you enjoyed all the way.
जय आयुर्वेद, जय भगवान धनवंतरी।